Hi everyone, I'm Alex and welcome back to another series of videos in which I will show you how to create a chat app using the new Cloud Firestore database from Google and Kotlin. We'll build a fully functional one-to-one chat application, as I guess you are already familiar with. Some people would probably say like WhatsApp, but let me show you guys how our chat app will look like in the end. I have started two emulators and let's run our chat app to see how it works. First, let's log in with Google using appfirstuser@gmail.com account. In the main activity, there is an empty screen. In this screen, we'll display all our active chat rooms. In the right upper corner, we have a button that can allow us start a new conversation. If we click this button, we are redirected to our contact sections. Let's do this. In this section, as you can see, we have three contacts. The first one is the second user, the user that is actually running the same application on the second emulator, and there are two more random users. Let's start a conversation with the second user, and let's say hi. Let's also start on the second emulator, and let's log in. As you can see, we already have an active chat room with the first user. Let's enter the room and also say hi. Let's continue the conversation and let's send another message. How are you? Send. Let's answer. I'm fine. And you? And let's respond. I'm chatting. And let's respond. That's good. Let's also send a smiley. And let's send another smiley. Now, if I come back and enter this room again, as you can see, I'm positioned at the last message in the list. But if I scroll up, I can also see the upper messages as well. Let's say I want to start another conversation, this time with a random user. Let's choose the third random user and let's also say hi. If I go back, as you can see, we have now two active chat conversations. So I can enter a chat room either from the main activity, or I can enter the same chat room from our contacts activity. So this is basically our very simple chat application. In the following videos, I will show you how to create the database schema for this application and how can you structure it so it can scale automatically for a very large number of user chat rooms and messages. So hope you guys are interested in this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.